Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today we'll be taking a look at these Gucci sunglasses model GG1105s in color code 004. The color of the frame is gold. And these glasses are pilot shape. The lenses are brown, and on its top right lens, you'll find the Gucci logo engraved in the lens. The temples are gold and white, and you'll find the Gucci logo on its temple. This is the inside of the frame. And this is what you see when wearing the frame. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the Gucci logo in gold, and that it's made in Italy. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 63 is for its lens, 12 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci hard case, although color and style may vary. And on the inside is the Gucci logo in gold, a Gucci dust bag, also with a Gucci logo in gold, a Gucci authenticity envelope, and a Gucci cleaning cloth. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any other frames, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.